Hello and welcome to Sprinkles and Magic with me, Abeer.
Hi, welcome to Sprinkles and Magic. My name is Abeer. I love coffee and ice cream, so today we're going to learn how to make cold coffee. तो चलें फिर? Cold coffee बनाने के लिए हमें ये चीजें चाहिए: 2 scoops vanilla ice cream, 1 teaspoon instant coffee, 1 teaspoon sugar, half a cup of cold milk, 3 cubes of ice, a straw, some Milo or Nesquik powder, and some chocolate sauce. Making it is really easy. So here we go. We need to put all the ingredients in a jar except the ice. Now we have to mix it and make sure everything is frothy and cold. First we add chocolate sauce in the glass to make it look pretty. Next we add the coffee into the glass. Now we put 2 cubes of ice and then a scoop of ice cream and some chocolate powder on the top. Wow! That was easy. Cold coffee, Sprinkles and Magic style, is ready. Yum! Here's an interesting food fact for you. The coffee plant was discovered in Ethiopia back in the 11th century. The leaves of this so-called magical fruit were boiled and used as medicine. Try the cold coffee and let me know how you did. Until next time, this is Abeer. Bye!
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.